Okay, guys, this is actually the first introduction to Skyscraper View. I just purchased this Bebop Drone 2, and I'm gonna do an unbox video of you guys. So after I open this box, guys, I'm gonna be doing some videos on this channel. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Um, I did wanted the DJI Phantom 4, but it's too much for me right now. So maybe in the future I'll have that one. So that's my goal, to have that. So this one's here. Here's the box actually. Let me show you the box. So it has 14 megapixels, full HD video, smartphone control. I'm actually gonna be using my tablet for this one. So as a control, and up to 25 minutes flight time, which should be good. And what's in the box? That's what's gonna be in the box. The back of the box shows us a little bit, little teasers how it's gonna be. But I'm gonna be using the tablet, so mine's gonna be a bigger control, which is good. And the other side of the box. Alright, let's get it open. Oops. Trying to get too excited already. I'm already ripping the box up. Gotta take it easy. Oh, heaven. This is how the box looks like. Woo! I'm excited. Know before you fly. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of some themes up in here. That's like Walt Disney movies, because it's all animated, which is great. I like it and I dig it. And you got the guide here. I'll read that in a bit. Just put that right there. Charge it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, put this on the side. I'm excited. Oh, it's nice feel. Here it is, guys. Hope you guys can see. I guess this is the box with all the adapters that's gonna be in here. 4 plugs. The mountain tool, and one user guide, which is actually over here. Got the USBs on there. Got the charger wall socket here, so you just change it. You got the full drone here. There it is, and then we got 8 of them, 8 of these little ones. So that's pretty cool. So there it is, guys. That's the unboxing, and the first video is gonna go up pretty soon. So if you guys want, just subscribe, and you guys will see future videos with this drone that I'm actually using. So there you have it, guys.